Welcome to Finding the Voices. Right now I am in Imphal, Manipur, and we are in yet another session for 1001 Thakachari. Right now we have Khaidem Lilyma over here in my residence. Welcome.
Thank you for having me in there. So, thank you.
And with love and from childhood I have been calling her Ichan, and I'm so happy that Ichan is participating in our show. So why don't you start with giving your introduction followed by all the Thakacharis.
Hi, my name is Khaidem Lilyma. I am from Keithel Lekai. I am the neighbor of J. Monica. And I have finished my college and both the graduation and master from Delhi. And after finishing my B.Ed, I am joining the teaching professions so far.
Yeah. So what subject you are doing?
English honors.
English honors, yeah. All right, so go ahead with your Thakachari nomination.
Okay. First one, I want to give the Thagachari to my parents, mom and dad. I am here all because of them, and they have sacrificed a lot. So when we are doing our studies, like when the financial support or the mentally or physically, like they are backing in every aspect. So like even in Manipuri, I'll quote one word my father used to say, like angang se pai machinjak chaba tamhallo adu paiba tamhallo. After that machinjak to moi thihallo. So my father used to say, so how much you want to study, we will be there for you. After that, once you have completed, you have to search for your food. Means akoy na tamu ba ihaydo productive oina use tawba ngamhallo na maina. Yes,
that's so sweet.
So every time when I used to think, like it gets stuck to my head, so it keep on repeating. So we have studied till this far, so why shouldn't we do something by our own? So not on like job khatang government job khatang nataba, like any aspect akoy na tamu ba ihaydo at least productive way amada kadom dabu ama private dabu or so government dabu or so isai on like startup or so. So that's I want to give my credit first to my mom and dad.
What is the name of your mom and dad?
So
just for our
my father name is Khaidem Kulachandra Singh, and my mother's name is Khaidem Ongbi Memchogi Devi.
That's so awesome. I always love it when I get nominations for parents.
Yes.
All right. Go to the next nomination.
Next nomination. So I'll give to Longjam Ajita. She is an IFS officer, my ex-roommate. So like while I was doing my master in Delhi, like first time I come out from the hostel life, so I don't know how to cook also. So I got little bit scared, and so I'm shifting from South campus to North campus, and it was also a new place. Like and that sister was preparing for the UPS that time. So like when I was tired of my master dissertation, doing my master dissertation, and I always complain. So she's like my give all the strengths. So whenever I need support, like mentally strength, she used to give advice, and she has to say, like if you have to succeed, don't take all the negative vibes around you. Just you have to filter. So you keep on saying you have to filter whatever negatives coming. So just take the positive. Like if you have to survive in the society, you have to listen both the negative and the positive. But what you have to do is you have to filter the negative. Then only you will become a successful person. From that moment, I like, okay, life is larger than what we think. Like sometimes we think, okay, our life is within this four wall of our house or something. But sometimes when we see this kind of productive people, I can see like, okay, why can't I do it? So that's the positive side I used to learn from her. And like now,
so where is she now?
She's in the Manipur. She's, I think, what's to say? Forest and conservative. I think some departments she's holding.
Yeah, that's so nice. I hope she will be listening to our show and listen to your gratitude.
Yes.
Yeah, please proceed to the third one.
Third one, I want to give all the women folks of Manipur, like that. Like we used to say, like I'll give the example of the Imam market. Like the in other society, while I was in Delhi, so example, like the women didn't come out and do the like earn for the living. Means hardly I see. Means they do office work and all, but our society is like the mother, the figure of mother is very strong. Like when the like even the widow, like if the husband is die, they said, okay, I have the responsibility to take care of my son, daughter. So they like the big example is Imam market, like the women market. So they come out and they are like men, they are keeping like we have to clean, we have to always take the support of the men. They are not like that. Means we as an individual has to stand, we have to individual as a woman is like not compare with the man as an individual. So I want to give the Thagachari to all the women like this. So it also says, clearly shows that our society, Manipur society, is not a patriarchal society. It is the clear picture. Like unlike we say that other metropolitan cities are highly developed, but mentally I can see the Manipuri women, the society are mentally very developed. That one I want to say. So
thank you. So this is a dedication to all the women folks in Manipur.
Yes.
Thank you. So we are going to end our session. Is there anything else you want to add?
I want to say something about the Finding the Voice. And Finding the Voice, I think, is a platform like not only to the world, it also like a platform of the Manipuri youths who are coming up. So it gives all of us together, like some we are here in the different part of this state or the countries, but hardly we don't know who is who. And it is a Finding the Voice is a platform, and we are able to know that particular person from this platform. It's like we are like, even the society is, I think, is bringing up with this platform also. Like we are together.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to hear that some of my goals are being achieved by your sharing, because my aim is to all of us to know who is who and get inspiration from each other.
Yes.
So thank you so much for coming. I am so touched by the response of people coming up, to be a part of the 1001 people who would share gratitude. And it's very early morning here in Imphal, and we decided to meet at 6 a.m. So thank you.
Thank you too.
And this is a card for you, so that you can write and send it to the people you have nominated. And this is a special card for you for being a part of our show, Thagachari. So here you go.
Thank you.
So there. All right, thank you.